I think the challenge in any industry, any business, is we're always looking for the low-hanging fruit. In other words, where's the closest dollar? We all do that every day. I do it in my business. And that's difficult in education because education is not always that quick race to the dollar. It's a longer term investment. So yes, it could happen tomorrow. And we've seen already instances where people will graduate from a program, be instantly employed in an architecture firm or engineering firm, call up back to the producer member or the regional chapter and say, I remember taking this class at Clemson University and I've got a project. Can you help me? So that's the low-hanging fruit. Or it could be 3 years from now where that person graduates, moves up the ranks within the architecture and engineering firm, and again recalls what they learned at the precast studio and want to switch a project over from, say, wood or glass to a total precast building.